Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how the integration between rental and fixed assets works. This integration creates a fixed asset when a rental shipment is confirmed and disposes of the asset when the rented item is returned. The integration also generates several adjustment transactions, including fixed asset purchasing, disposal, and depreciation. There are a few screens where you need to set up configurations to make the rental and fixed assets integration work. When you go to the rental stock item, you'll see a new tab called Rental Fixed Asset. You can enable the item to create a fixed asset by checking the Enable Fixed Asset checkbox. There are also some new fields added, and you can fill them out based on what your business needs. If you want to create a fixed asset disposal when the rented item is returned, select the Disposal by Rental Returned checkbox. You can select two reason codes for asset conversion and inventory reversal as well. Then, if you go into the item class, you'll see a new tab has been added called Rental Fixed Asset. Here, you can also configure the same settings that I showed you in the rental stock item screen. Now, the next thing to do is create a rental order. Click the plus button to create a new rental order. Add the customer and fill in the rental info as needed. Here, I will set the rental period for this item to 25 days, with the rental end date on October 11th. Let me show you the billing schedule. Here, you'll see that the billing schedule is automatically set to 14 days for September and 11 days for October. Next step is to add the rental item I showed you before. Let me click this Add Rental Items button to add the rental item. Now you need to select the item and click Add and Close button. Next, the rental item is added with a quantity of 1. The rental rate comes from the item, and I'll leave it the same. Next step is to save this rental order and create the rental shipment by clicking this Create Shipment button. In this pop-up window, you can confirm the shipment date and click OK button to create the shipment. Now we need to add the lot/serial number by clicking the Line Details button. Let me add this first one and click OK and click Confirm Shipment button to confirm the shipment. If you click the Line Details button and look inside, you'll see that Asset ID 25 was created for the fixed asset after confirming the shipment. Then this will update in the Equipment/Serial Stock Status form as well. Let me go inside the fixed asset by clicking this Asset ID. In here you will see the rental started date updated as receipt date. In the Other Details tab, you will see Model field updated with the rental stock item ID and serial number field of the fixed asset updated with the serial number we added for the rental shipment. Then let me show you the Equipment/Serial Stock Status form. Let me search with the serial number we shipped from the rental order. If you go inside this first one, you will see Created Fixed Asset ID is updated in this Asset ID field under General Info tab. Then if you go inside the Serial Status Details tab, you will see the Created Fixed Asset ID is linked to the line with the status code as RNT. In the Rentals Depreciation tab, you will see records from previous rental orders. After you complete the rental return for this order, a new line will be added to this tab. Let me create the rental return for this rental order. You can click this Create Rental Return button to create the rental return. Let me add the rental ending date as the return date and save this rental return. In the line details, you will see the asset ID is there with the assigned serial number as well. We need to release this rental return. Let's go inside the fixed asset again after releasing the rental return. You will see the disposal date is updated with the rental return date. Then in the Depreciation tab we can see the amounts are updated for the months. As I mentioned earlier, you can see fixed asset purchasing, depreciation and disposal related transactions can be seen inside the Transactions tab. Let me show you the depreciation adjustment document created. You will see $30 added as the depreciation amount. If you refresh the equipment/serial stock form, you will see a new line added to the Depreciation tab with the amounts for the recent rental order we just processed. Let me refresh this again and then you will see the added fixed asset ID is removed from the asset ID field for this rental item and serial number. And you will see the fixed asset ID removed and the status code updated as STK to mention that this item is now in stock again. This is the standard process for the fixed asset integration with rentals. Let's meet in another video recording and thank you.